Very good. Very good.
Yeah, there is a cavity. So that's why it is more discolored. So what you need to do is check it under common eye. Take one X-ray, how it is, and you get it filled. Looks like you can do it with feeding right now, but if you wait for very long.
So today May 8 celebrated as World Red Cross Day. So what do you like to say, sir?
Today is the day which is very auspicious for Indian Red Cross Society. So Durand, who started this Red Cross movement, today we are celebrating the world over. We are celebrating this day as the Red Cross Day. The Red Cross is one association, one NGO which reaches out to the deserving, needy, who are in trouble, especially now as we see wartime, Ukraine or Russia war is going on. Red Cross is very active in giving support to the injured, to the wounded, and also taking care of the people who are in distress. We have prepared our volunteers in three folds: GRC, YRC, as well as the volunteers. GRC is the Junior Red Cross, then the Youth Red Cross. They are in school and higher secondary, and we have trained them specially for the first aid and other eventualities which they can take care and reach out to the people in distress. Today, on this occasion, we have planned several programs across the state. We have Red Cross functioning in all the talukas today, and all the taluka level units have organized either blood donation camp, marathon running, or camps, health camps, and such even training program in the first aid segment. Today in Panji, with the help of Manipal Center as well as Directorate of Health Services, we are organizing this health camp, and as you see, a lot of people have come here to take the benefit of this medical camp. And likewise, we also have undertaken the blood sample. We have blood samples are taken, and the test will be results will be given to the patients in short time. We have also brought in dental surgeons here who are looking into the dental problems of the people, whereas the specialties are also looking into, like we have cardiology, we have oncology, as well as we have neurosurgeon who are here giving their services to the downtrodden, needy, and likewise. So we would like to continue with our service, and we are preparing ourselves for any eventuality or distress or in times of difficulties. Recently, we participated in the mock drill, which provided services to the needy, wounded, or deserving. So likewise, we are preparing ourselves for the distress management, and we will continue to give our services in this direction.
Sir, Indian Red Cross Society Goa branch, what is your goal for 2025?
Our goal is to prepare maximum volunteers, so that each village level, we are trying to reach out to village level, so that we are also trying to train the nursing students, so especially the village girls. If they are trained to take blood pressure or to give insulin injections or other injections, so that they can be of help to the needy, in especially the village level. So that is our goal, to train at least one girl of each village, so that the entire village level can be taken care of through paramedical. Initial phase can be maybe later on, if need be, they can be shifted to the other facilities. But initially, when there is nothing, these paramedics can reach out and help them. So this will be our goal for this year.
Sir, any message from your side on taking healthcare?
Our message would be, to maintain cleanliness, maintain hygiene, and especially, we have to maintain our areas clean, so that there is no spread of diseases, and also to take care that there is no saturation of water, so stagnation of water, so that we avoid the formation of mosquitoes. So all these things, if we do, I think we become ambassadors and also volunteers for the good of the society. So our message would be to participate in this program of keeping our area green, clean and neat, so that hygienically everybody is taken care of, and there are no diseases which are spreading.
Sir, your full name and designation?
My name is Mangirish Pairaikar. I am the Vice Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society, Goa.